Hey guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to use WeChat to translate language from text or image. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open WeChat on your mobile device. Tap on the plus icon at the top right of your screen. Select Scan. Tap on Translate at the bottom of your screen. Now all you have to do is take a photo or choose one from your album in order for WeChat to automatically translate it. And that's it. This is how you use WeChat to translate language from text or image. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.